Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited to show you something that I have been working on recently. My own little bug tracking system, or what I like to call Mini Jira. It's built using Python, Flask and SQLite 3, and the cool part is it's a work in progress. I am adding new features every week and I thought why not show you where it's at right now. So this is not a tutorial video, it's more like a casual walkthrough just to share what I have built, what it can do, and what's coming next. The idea behind this project was simple. I wanted to build a small-scale version of Jira, something that lets team manage bug, assign tasks, and track progress. I wanted it to feel like a real-world app, but simple enough that anyone learning Flask could understand how it works. This is the main dashboard. It shows how many tickets are currently open, how many are assigned to me, and a quick list of most recent ones added to the system. It looks clean and minimal right now. I'm planning to make it more visual and even graphs showing open versus resolved tickets soon. So let's go through the basic flow, how a ticket actually moves through the system. First, when someone finds a bug, they can go here and create a new ticket. You just add a title, a short description, set the priority, choose the type, maybe it's a bug or a new feature request, and then assign it to a developer. When you click on the create button, the ticket gets saved instantly to the database and here it is. Each ticket page shows the full detail, who reported it, who it is assigned to, current status, and all the updates below, right here. Users can also upload attachments like screenshots and log files and update the ticket status by changing it from open to progress or resolve. It's small, but it feels pretty real. Right now, the app has basic user roles. For example, a reporter, a developer, and a manager. Reporters can create and view their own tickets. Developer can see what's assigned to them, and manager can view everything. So Alice is a manager here. I'll just click on login and I'll give my username, that is Rohit, password, welcome. Yeah, so this user is a reporter. I'm also planning to make the role system more dynamic. These roles, manager, developer, and reporter. So user can create and assign role directly through the interface. Maybe even customize permission later down the line. Let me show you the admin user page. Let me log in with a manager ID. Password. Now let me show you the admin user page. This is the user management section where admin can change roles, view registered users, and control access level. Pretty basic for now, but I have a plan to expand this. Like I said, this project is still under development and I have some really fun ideas lined up for the next version. For example, I want to add a progress bar on each ticket showing how close it is to its completion, interactive graphs and charts on the dashboard for better visualization, role-based permission system with more customization, and even email notifications when tickets are updated. Basically, I want it to feel more like a real-world project management tool, but still simple enough that beginners can study it, understand the structure, and maybe even modify it for their own needs. This project taught me a lot, not just about Flask, but about how web apps are actually connected together. From authentication, session, and roles, file uploads, everything came together in one project. And honestly, that's the best part about building something practical. You don't just learn syntax, you understand how real systems are designed. Even if it's not perfect yet, seeing it coming live on screen gives you the motivation to keep going, to keep improving your skills, one feature at a time. So yeah, that's where my Mini Jira project stands right now. It's simple, but it already has a working login system, ticket creation, file upload, comments, and a neat dashboard. And I'm still working on polishing it, adding new features, visual graphs, and making the UI smoother with Bootstrap component and maybe some animation. If you want me to make a full coding video on this project, so everything from setup to dashboard, just comment below. I want the Mini Jira tutorial. I will know you are interested, and I will make a complete step-by-step video very soon. And if you've been thinking about learning Flask or building web application, start with something small like this, because once you create your first real-world project, you will see how much fun Python web development can be. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want to see more Flask project like this, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and drop your ideas in the comments. I will see you soon in the next project video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning, and keep building awesome stuff.